Previously, we looked at the dangers of just simply upgrading, revamping your website. If you've got an old website that was written in something other than WordPress, and then you want to convert that to a WordPress website, there's even more things you have to think about. So let's say you've got a very old website. It was created in something like Dreamweaver many years ago, or possibly even things like FrontPage. And there are many different programs for creating websites, and a lot of the older ones would create file names, and it would add the extension like .htm or .html or .php. WordPress, on the other hand, creates pages that don't use these file name extensions. So what you need to do is find some way of basically replicating the old file name structure. So let's say you had a file called contactus.php for sake of argument. If that's where your Contact Us page was on the old website, then you need to create a new page called Contact Us, and you also need to find a way of adding the .php. And as always, the solution in WordPress, the solution to something is always the same: install a plugin. So there are lots of plugins that will actually allow you to add a file name extension to the WordPress file names. So in this case, this is an example of a website that's actually using file name extensions, and I've just simply installed a plugin, and this particular plugin is called Add Any Extension to Pages. And if you go and look at the settings here, basically just type in the extension you want, click on update, and that's it, sorted. So it's not a particularly sophisticated plugin, but it does the job. And in this particular case, if I open the website and look at the Contact Us page, you will notice, if you look carefully, the file name is actually contact-us.htm. So that's how you add file name extensions.